Welcome! If you've ever wanted to show your friends exactly what you're playing on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to share your current experience with friends on the Roblox app for PC. Thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look for the More icon. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots in the corner of your screen. Click on that to open up the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize how you interact with Roblox and control your privacy. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is all about how your information is shared and who can see what you're doing. Next, look for the option labeled Visibility and Private Servers. Click on it, and then you'll see a button or tab called Visibility. This is the key to controlling who can see your current experience on Roblox. Once you're in the Visibility section, you'll notice a few different options for who can view your activity. To share your current experience with just your friends, select Friends. This means only the people you've added as friends on Roblox will be able to see what you're playing in real time. After making your selection, be sure to save your changes. That's it. Now, whenever you're playing a game or exploring a new world, your friends will be able to see your activity and join in if they want. This update makes it easier than ever to connect and play together, while still keeping your privacy in your control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can update their settings too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox.